Hello, my name is Doug Barone, and I'm here at Mount Pisgah Baptist Church. I have the privilege to work with and teach and preach to young people at our church and in the community as well. Pastor Garvin Walls is my pastor. This spring, we're going to have a very special teen revival meeting. It's called the War of Special Forces. Evangelist Jim Van Gelderen will be preaching, and his team of 6 college-aged young people will be hosting that event for us. The latter part of the week, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, is what I really hope to interest you in. It's a community outreach with the intention of ministering to young people's spiritual needs. We hope to see kids from private schools. We hope to reach kids in the public school programs and the public school as well as homeschool programs as well. This could be a great tool for coaches to build unity and team camaraderie within their teams. And we want to invite you and your students to be a part of this great cause for Jesus Christ, this wonderful event. The times and the dates and the location are up on the screen for you. I genuinely appreciate your time. Thanks for watching this. Just as a reminder, Jesus truly is a wonderful Savior. Thank you all. Have a good day.
The War of Special Forces, it's a great time. There's a lot of fun activities and there's good competition if you're that kind of person. But one of the biggest aspects is I walked away from it after hearing the messages by Brother Van Gelderen, feeling renewed and encouraged to go about my Christian walk and to take care of things that I needed to spiritually.
I am glad to have had the opportunity to participate in the War of Special Forces. The games were so much fun, and the workers really cared about you and helping you grow closer to the Lord. Dr. Van Gelderen is a great preacher, and the Lord spoke to me through his sermons.
Hi, my name is Austin. I'm in 10th grade, and last time at the War, I had a very great time. It was a very good experience. It was extremely encouraging, and I enjoyed Brother Van Gelderen's preaching, and it really helped me to remember to have joy coming into the next week.
Hi, my name is Carly Foster, and I'm a senior. One thing about the War of Special Forces was the workers' personal testimonies really helped me to realize that I'm not alone in all of this, and that there are others that are struggling just like me. And they did a really good job in keeping everybody engaged and making things exciting.